In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can recover your ChatGPT account if you got your account flagged for no reason. Let's say you hadn't done anything, but the moment you try to log in into your ChatGPT account, it says your account is flagged, so you cannot log in into your account. So you want to fix this problem. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how we guys can do that. And before I show you the steps on how we guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So if you're trying to log in into your account, then the first reason could be that the login detail or like the phone number or the email you used was the wrong one. So some of the email and some of the phone number are blocked in ChatGPT because a lot of people try to use fake email and fake phone number. So ChatGPT has detected those numbers. So if you by mistake or like if you typed that number, then it's not going to, make you log in. So make sure that the number you have entered is actually correct and the login info you entered is correct as well. And it should work. But let's say that the login info you entered is correct and you're still flagged. The other thing you can do is use VPN, connect to another country and try to relog in into your account. And if you're confused which VPN you want to use, then I will suggest you use this VPN called Windscribe. So I'm opening it up, so wait for some time. So Windscribe gives you 10 GB for free per month. I don't think you need more than 10 GB just to log in into ChatGPT. So you can use Windscribe. It's pretty much free. So for PC user, you can do that. It's available for mobile as well on App Store or Play Store. You can use it. Let's say even after using VPN, if it still says you're flagged, what you want to do is you want to search for ChatGPT support. Once you do that, click on the first one and it will take you to the support team of ChatGPT, which is OpenAI. Over here, what you want to do is click on this, and from here you can chat with anybody you want. Just go on message and click on send us a message, and you can choose the problem you have over here. Click on other, and over here you can start typing your problem and you can start talking with ChatGPT support team and they'll help you unflag your account. So this is the only legit way. People are going to say this way, that way, but the other ways they're going to take your login detail and hack your account. So be careful. So that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe button and bye bye.